Hawkeye, Holler Nation, stand up and welcome back to the channel. How the hallelujah are you doing? It's time for the second part of this Rodger Dodger versus Dairy Delivery Invitational Showdown thingamabob, whatever we're calling it. I don't know what we're calling it. But we're just calling it Rodger Dodger versus Dairy Delivery, am I right? Oh yeah, I'm right. We're gonna turn the hat backwards. It's like a switch. It's like a switch. But we saw Rodger Dodger just wax Dairy Delivery last time on the Rainbow Road. We kind of expected that to happen since Dairy Delivery is big and heavy, so they like to weeble wobble. Unfortunately, these weeble wobbles like to fall down. So, can Dairy Delivery make the comeback and conquer the super stretch and knock out Rodger Dodger? Well, let's find out. Let's send it trackside. But before that, you guys better make sure you're subscribed and have that bell rung so you never miss a future upload here on the channel. Talking to you, newbie. I see you. Do it. Did you do it? Okay, good. Let's race. All right, 2 teams of 10 trucks each. We race until one team is completely eliminated. There we go. I said it the first time. All right, up first is One Bad Scoop taking on Michelangelo. Here we go. Well, Dairy Delivery's off to a great start. Rodger Dodger goes up a win. We will be switching lanes after each race. Up next is Indoraptor and Hound Holler. Oh! Let's go. See, I told you they weeble wobble. Hound Holler came off the track and gave it to the Indoraptor. The thing with the new super stretch layout, there is a kink right there in the middle of the track. You have to know how to make your way around that. Up next is the Nitro Nuggets taking on the Hot Wheels Special Forces. Let's go. Wow, what a great side-by-side race, but Hot Wheels Special Forces gets it. We go off the gate, especially when they're that close. Oh, he's like invisible. Where'd he go? Up next, it's Abysmal taking on Mr. Krabs. Money, 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 money. Let's see if Dairy Delivery can keep it up. Well, Mr. Krabs gets the dub. I thought Dairy Delivery was going to try and make a comeback. Guess I was wrong. Next up, it's a gold Rodger Dodger taking on the former Monster Truck King, the Pinstripe Dairy Delivery. Let's go. Jeez. He's not a former king for nothing. Man, he was waxing that Rodger Dodger. We got a good race going on. 3-2. All right, up next, you got the T-Rex taking on the orange Rodger Dodger. Go. Oh, that was a close race, but the orange Rodger Dodger came back there at the end. All right, it's a neon Rodger Dodger taking on Crane. Here we go. These trucks got big tires. They may clip that wall right there next to the track, but Rodger Dodger still got the dub. Rodger Dodger starting to pull away. They're up 3-2. Up next is Patrick taking on John Cena. Go. Just when I thought Dare Delivery was going to try and make a comeback, the Rodger Dodgers just step on it. Up next, you got the blue Rodger Dodger and the blue Dairy Delivery. Go. Finally, Dairy Delivery has some momentum going. They need another win to stay in this. Next up is the Walrus taking on the gold Rodger Dodger. No, that's not the one that just raced. He was eliminated. Go. The Walrus with the dub. Dairy Delivery stays alive. I'm staying alive. And moving into the next leg of this event, it is 4-6. Dairy Delivery still could win this. Let's do it. All right, it's the Special Forces Dairy Delivery taking on Michelangelo. Here we go. Oh yeah, the Special Forces gets it. Next up is Indoraptor and the Pinstripe Dairy Delivery. Go. And the former king gets his team another win. All right, it's an OG Dairy Delivery and Mr. Krabs. Get gone. Rodger Dodger's not going down without a fight, though. Mr. Krabs takes out the OG Dairy Delivery. Next up, you got the orange Rodger Dodger and the Walrus. Goodbye. Dairy Delivery keeps us 3-3. It's getting down to the nitty gritty here now. 3-3, who's it gonna be? It's the Special Forces Dairy Delivery taking on the Neon Rodger Dodger. Go. Tell you what, the Special Forces Dairy Delivery is a beast. Next up is John Cena and the former King. Go. And the former King delivers again. It is now 3-1. Up next, it's a Walrus and Mr. Krabs. Team Dairy Delivery can take it right here. Here we go. Oh, baby, and they do. And with that win by the Walrus team, Dairy Delivery takes it in the second part of this Rodger Dodger versus Dairy Delivery showdown. And there you have it, Hawkeye Holler Nation. We saw two different tracks, two different teams win. Rodger Dodger conquered the Rainbow Road. They were low enough, they weren't top heavy, they didn't tip over in the corners as much. But when it came to the super stretch, big and heavy was the name of the game. And Dairy Delivery, they took it in style. But guys, with that being said, let me know down in the comments if you guys would like to see more versus things. Kind of like, how about like trucks versus SUVs, Mega Rex versus Leopard Shark or Shark Reek. Got lots of sharks, lots of dinosaurs. But yeah, let me know if you guys would like to see more versus series. Maybe we'll make it a series and have some fun with it. Especially on the Rainbow Road. I love the Rainbow Road. But guys, with that being said, do your boy a solid. Smash the like button. Drop those comments down below. I love reading all those comments. Don't forget to drop a wave. I'll wave back to you. Also, if you guys have feedback, do not be afraid to leave it in the comments. I love constructive criticism. It definitely helps the channel grow. So if you guys see anything that's lacking, or could be improved, please let me know. I'm not gonna get mad at you if you guys call me out on something. Like I said, constructive criticism goes a long way in my books. I don't take it negatively, I take it positively. So please, let me know if you guys see anything that you don't like or could be improved on. Let me know in those comments down below. Guys, with that being said, if you'd like to help support the channel, I have merch, YouTube memberships, and energy drinks. You can find all those links down below. We're doing racing over on TikTok. I have Instagram. I've been dropping some reels here and there. Some of them have been blowing up, some of them not. So I post over there, but go ahead and give me a follow. With that being said, I will see you guys next time here at the Holler. Peace, love, and Hot Wheels. I'm out of here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys. Peace.